If you're starting streaming or recording, you have probably seen OBS Studio and Streamlabs everywhere. But which one is actually better for you? In this video, I'll break down the key differences, pros and cons, and help you decide which one to use. What is OBS Studio? OBS Studio is a free open-source software used for streaming and recording. It's known for high performance, full customization, advanced control over settings, but it does come with a learning curve, especially for beginners. What is Streamlabs? Streamlabs is built on OBS but designed to be more beginner-friendly. It offers built-in themes and overlays, easier setup, integrated alerts, chat, and widgets. It's basically OBS with a simplified interface and extra features. Easy to use? If you're a beginner, Streamlabs wins. Simple interface, drag-and-drop setup, everything is built in. OBS Studio is more manual. You have to add plugins, configure everything yourself. So if you want quick setup, go Streamlabs. If you want full control, go OBS Performance. This is where OBS Studio wins. Uses fewer system resources, runs smoother on low-end PCs, more stable for long streams. Streamlabs uses more CPU and RAM because of its built-in features. If your PC isn't powerful, OBS is the better choice. Features. Streamlabs has more built-in features, alerts and notifications, chat integration, overlays and themes, monetization tools. OBS Studio, minimal by default, but can be extended with plugins. Streamlabs equal convenience, OBS equal flexibility. Customization, OBS is way more customizable. Advanced theme control, tons of plugins, full control over bitrate, encoder, and settings. Streamlabs is more limited because it focuses on simplicity. If you like tweaking everything, OBS wins. Recording quality. Both offer high-quality recording, but OBS gives more control over encoding, better optimization options. In most cases, OBS has slightly better performance and quality control. Pros and cons. Let's start with OBS. OBS Studio proves. Lightweight, highly customizable, better performance. OBS Studio cons. Harder to learn with a high learning curve. No built-in extras. Streamlabs pros. Beginner-friendly, all-in-one solution, easy setup. Streamlabs cons, heavier on PC, less flexible. Final verdict: choose OBS Studio if you want the best performance, and choose it if you have a low-end PC. Choose it if you like full control. Choose Streamlabs and go for it if you are a beginner, if you want everything ready out of the box, and if you do not want to deal with setup. So OBS or Streamlabs, which one are you choosing? Let me know down below in the comments, and tell me exactly which is best for streaming and which is best for recording. And do not forget to support us with likes, subscribe for more reviews and comparisons like this, and turn on the bell icon to avoid missing anything. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video. 0